Hello everyone, a new journey, a new video and a new project of Algedra's. Let's have a look together at this unfinished, classical inspired villa. The first thing we see after we move from the lobby is the Majlis room. And as you can see, Majlis is purely inspired by classical style. You can see all the classical features in this room. The moldings on the walls coming all the way from the classical ages to our contemporary days to enhance the luxury. You can see the arched big windows, of course, it's a classical feature, as well as the ornaments in the ceilings. Now about the direct access of this Majlis to the dining room that we will see as we move forward in our journey. So here's the dining area, and of course also this dining area has an access direct to the big hall, and here's where the living areas will be taking place. We have two seatings area, and in order to separate their functions, we created the second one to be on another level. And as we reach this column, I have to tell you that it's purely inspired by the Greek Ionic column, yet it's contemporary column to suit our days and our new lifestyle. Easy access from the entrance to the hall and also close to the living areas. We have here the guest bedroom, of course with its washroom and its bathroom. On the other side, we have the kitchen with this very special, unique breakfast area with all the natural light, of course, because of the glass facade. Now let's take the stairs to go to the upper floor. And here we arrive to the family area. It's a living room, but only for the family members. We have a pantry here, and in this floor, we have 3 bedrooms and 1 master bedroom. Dear viewers, hope you enjoyed this journey and you liked our designs. So stay tuned, see you in the next video.